Why, hello everybody. This is Mzjanis. Well, we have everything we need. We have our cherries and we have our bowl. And I told you that we're learning how to count up to 100. So we're going to see how many, without them falling out, how many cherries we can get in this bowl. So we already remember that we're supposed to count from 0 to whatever number we're trying to count to. And I'm clearing off this desk. So how y'all doing today? Okay, so here's my bowl. Here's my cherries. They are good, by the way. If you live in Portland, Oregon, or you have a Fred Meyer's or in your area, oh my goodness, get these. They were well worth the purchase. Okay, so we're gonna hide this, and we're only gonna do the bowl. We're gonna do some more of this. Not today. So 0 means there's nothing there. Then we have 1. You counting with me, right? 2, 3, 4. Very good. 5. Very good. 6. Very good. 7. Very good. 8. Very good. 9. Very good. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21. 22. 23. 24. 25. 26. 27. 28. 29. And you notice it don't count until I put them in the bowl. 30. 31. 32. 33. 34. 35. 36. 37. 38. 39. 40. 41. 42. 43. 44. 45. 46. 47. 48. 49. 50. 51. 52. 53. 54, 55. Very good. You guys are counting very good. 56, 57, 58. Very good. Keep going. 59, 60. Keep going, you guys. 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. Oh, and one fall out, we're gonna have to stop counting. 65, 66, 67, 68, 69. Oh no. 70. Oh no. This reminds me of Jenga. 71. 72. 73. Huh. That wouldn't have counted. Hold on. Look how many we have left. That's all. 74. Let's move it over a little. Very carefully. 74. 75. I don't want it to fall. Help. Let's be very careful. 76. Uh-oh. 77. Look how many we have left. That's it. 77. 78. 79. 80. 81. This is the last one. 82. And let's move this over very carefully. 82. The bag is empty. So we have 82. Now we're going to see how many more we need to get to 100. So we did 82. Let's get some grapes. 82. Okay, so we have 82 cherries. Now we're going to see how many grapes we need to make it to 100. Okay, so that's 82. And one more is 83. And one more, 84. Very good. And one more, 85. Very good. And one more, 86. Very good. And one more, 87. and one more 88, and one more 89, and one more 90. So that means that 82 and 2, 4, 6, 8 equals 90. And one more 91. And one more 92. Almost there. And one more 93. And one more 94. Very good. And one more 95. And one more. Very good. 96. And one more 97. And one more. Very good. 98. And one more 99. And one more 100. Very good. Give yourselves a hand. Oh my, oh my, oh my. You did so well. Congratulations. You counted with Miss Janice up to 100. Okay, now we're going to subtract. Subtract is the same way as saying take away. 100, take away 1, 99. I'm going to eat this one. 98. 97. 96. 95. 94. 93. 92. 91. Okay, so we took away, oh, hold on, 90. Very good. So I'm going to take away all of these, and now I'm going to show you something. Because remember, we're practicing now how to add more to 100 by counting all the way up to 1,000. But before we get there, we still have next week to do that. So before we get there, what we're going to do now is just remind you about something. So we already did 100. You already got your hand clap. And now we're going to do one digit. So whatever goes into the ones column, we're going to put in this basket right now. So we already did 100. Those grapes are cold and sweet. So now we're going to do the ones column. We're going to show you what goes in the ones column. 0. So this goes in the ones column. The 0 goes in the ones column because it's one digit. 1, 2, 3, 4, the number 5, the number 6 goes in the ones column, the number 7, the number 8, the number 9. Now, so we're done 0 through 9. That's what that looks like. That's what goes in the ones column. And so I'm going to show you in just a minute. So ones column go here. 2 digits goes here. So that would be the tens column because 10 has 2 digits. 3 digits goes here. 4 digits goes here. And that's what we're going to stop at. We're going to stop at 4 digits. Because 4 digits equal 1,000. And right now, that's as high as we have to go. Okay, so now that I said 1 digit, we're going to do it again, but on this side, just to make sure you remember. So we're only working with 4 digits, so it's 1 digit. Then there's going to be 2 digits, which is the tens, which are numbers. 1 digit or 1 number equal ones. Usually they write O-N-E-S up the top. That's what you normally see, the word ones, O-N-E-S. But what we're going to do is we're going to put a 1 here. Then we're going to say 2 digit is tens. So that means we're going to put 2 digits here. And that equals tens, T-E-N-S. And then 3 digits or 3 numbers equal hundreds. And then 4 digits or 4 numbers equal 1,000. And this is the short way to write it, T-H-O-U-S. Okay, and I'm going to show you what they look like. So we already said, I'm taking my cherries back out. We already said 0 goes in this one's column. These are columns. So 0. And then we said that 1 goes in here because it's another 1 digit or 1 number, but there's nothing beside it to the left or to the right. So we're showing you 1. And then we said 2 goes there because there's nothing beside it to the left or to the right. 2. And then we said 3 goes there because there's only 1 digit when you say 3. Okay. We said 4 goes there, so the number 4 goes in that ones column. We said 5 goes there because there's nothing next to it. There's nothing to the right. No, there's no number there, and there's no number there. Nothing to the left or to the right. Very good. 6. So we know that 6 goes there. Very good. 7. We know that 7 goes there. Very good. 8. We know that 8 goes there. Very good. 9. We know that 9 goes there. None of these numbers have a number to the left, and none of them have a number to the right. Okay? But now it's time for 2 digits. And the first 2-digit number is, there's no such number as 00. Okay? So this is 10. Remember we counted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And what number did we start our counting off with? I'm going to give you a hint. Very good. Very good. We started our counting off with 0. 0. And then we said 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. But once you say the next number, which is 10, you have to change the column to the tens column. So it's 10. Then you say 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and then you say 20. Well, you might not say 20 like me, but 20. So then you go, see, there's the 0. So 20, 21. So it's 2 and a 1 reads 21. 22. A 2 and a 2 reads 22. 23. Let me see. Then you go 24. So you got the 24. So that's a 2 and a 4 equals 24. 25. A 2 and a 5 is 25. 26. A 2 and a 6. So we said 20 already. So now we're going to 26. Then we got 27. You have to put a 2 there. A 2 and a 7 reads 27. Then we have 28. A 2 goes here. So 2 and 8. 28. Then we have one more, 29. And a 9. And then we have 30. A 3 with a 0. And now you can see how 0 and a 1 and a 0 reach 10. A 2 and a 0 reach 20. A 3 and a 0 reach 30. A 4 and a 0 reads, and if you said 40, you know what I'm talking about. So when you count by tens, you go 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And then comes 100. And that's as far as we're going to go. Excuse me, that's as far as we can go. Oh, we could stop here is what I mean to say. But we're not going to stop here. We're going to go 100, 101, 102, 103, 104, 100, 5, 106, 107, 108, 109, 110, 111, 112. Remember, you put a 1 right there to reach 12. 113. Remember, you put a 1 right here and it reads 13. And then it goes on and on and on until you get to 900. See, because that's 3 digits or 3 numbers. Then you get to 4 numbers. 991. See, we got to 992. 993, 994. And I'm skipping a lot of numbers because you go 910, 920, 30, 40, 50. But you also are counting numbers 951. See, 3 digits. Any 3 numbers goes in this column right here. 900. 51, 952, not, that's 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. And you have to stop there because this column is the tens column, and tens only have two numbers. This column right here belongs in the hundreds column because you have to say hundreds in order to say the number. Listen, 951. If it has one number, two number, three number. Let me see if you can see it. There you go. It has to have three numbers in order to fit on this column right here. 910, 920, 930, 940, 950, and then 51. See, ones column here, tens column. If you say 50, anything that you say that's in this column is in the tens columns. 900. Anytime you have three numbers, it reads hundreds. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. I know you're hearing it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. But in order to read hundreds, it have to have three numbers. If it only has one number, it belongs in the ones column. That's why I'm saying, hold on, 700, 800, 900, right? After this one comes four numbers, and it reads like this. And the reason I like to put the comma there is because that's what it reads. It reads the word thousand, 1,000, 2,000, 3,000, 4,000, 5,000, 6,000. And it has to read thousand because it has four numbers. If it only had three numbers, it would read 100. If it only had two numbers, it would read 10. If it only had one number, it would read 1, 2, 3, 4, or 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So we're going to go over this again, but I need for you to remember that soon we're going to be counting up to 100 by tens, counting up to 1,000 by tens, counting up to 1,000 by 50s, counting up to 1,000 by 100, and I just wrote that. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1,000. Whoops, wrong one. 1,000. Okay? There is such thing as 10 hundreds, but it also reads 1,000. See that? See that 10 right there? And two zeros behind it equals hundreds. So